This video will explain how to identify factors. Factors are numbers that can divide exactly into another number, which sounds complicated, but if I show you an example, it'll help explain. So the factors of 12 are 1 and 12, because 1 times 12 equals 12. There are also other factors, 2 and 6, because 2 times 6 equals 12. And the last pair, 3 and 4, because 3 times 4 equals 12. And I'd always do it like this. I'd always start with the number 1 and say, right, 1 times what equals 12? It's always its own number. So 1 and 12. 2 times what equals 12? 2 times 6. And then 3 times what? And you might be with certain numbers, they won't be able to do 3 times or 2 times, but here you can. It's 3 times 4 equals 12. As soon as you find a pair of factors that are consecutive, you know that you found all the factors, because otherwise you'll start repeating yourself. For example, you've just done 3 and worked out that 3 times 4 is 12. The next number is 4, or 4 times 3 equals 12. So I'm already repeating myself. I'd go to 5 and realise 5 doesn't go into 12. And then I get to 6, and it's 6 times 2, which I've already got. So I'm just repeating myself, and there's no point going on further. As you can see, it's vital to know either your times tables or your repeat addition. So on the side here, I could have done my 2 times tables, gone 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, and realised that 6 lots of 2 goes into 12. But if you know your times tables inside out, you'll be able to do this very quickly. Any number that has more than 2 factors, so they have 3 factors or more, they're actually called composite numbers, purely because they've got more than just 2 factors. If they have just 2 factors, they are called something else, which is prime numbers, and I'll explain that in another video. Another question you might get asked to do with factors is find 2 factors of a number, for example 2 factors of 12, which add up to another number. So for example, find 2 factors of 12 which add together to make 7. Now if I look at my factors here, which 2 numbers added together would equal 7. And I look here, I can see that there's 3 and 4. If I add 3 and 4 together, that totals 7. So that'd be an answer. But there's actually another one, and that is the 1 here added to the 6 there. 1 plus 6 equals 7. So 2 different ways of finding 2 factors of 12 that add together to make 7. And that's how you identify factors and several factors to add up to a certain number. Now let's see if you can do one with me. So, if I give you the number 18, what are all the factors of 18? So we have 1 and 18, 1, 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6, 4 and 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, doesn't go. 5 and 5, 10, 15, 20, doesn't go either. 6 and, now we are repeating ourselves, so there are 6 factors in total of 18. Now if I said to you, which 2 factors add up to, which 2 factors of 18 add up to 8, which 2 factors would they be? Again, look at your 6 factors, which 2 of those add up to 8? They are of course 2 and 6.